what's up everybody? Slifael is here. Thanks again for watching and welcome to my new subscribers. If you're new to my channel, I'm trying to bring you cryptocurrency news in an edutainment kind of way, so it's easy for you to digest. So today, I wanted to start off with the market cap. So the market cap is at 125 billion at the moment. And let's take a look at the winners of today. So at number 3, Dash with 3.11% up. At number 2, Ethereum with 3.48% up. And at number 1, IOTA with 4.08% up. So I wanted to continue with the news of last Thursday where the CEO of J.P. indicated that Bitcoin is a fraud. But how ironic is this? So it seems that there has been a lot of buys the next day at the dip coming from J.P. So let's break that down a little bit. So it doesn't necessarily mean that J.P. has placed those orders, but more logically would be that customers of J.P. has ordered some buying orders via J.P. So the interesting thing to see here is that traders of J.P. seems to do not care about the statements that are being made by their CEO, or maybe they are fired today. That might also be the case, of course. And then some effects that have occurred after the news that came out of China, that the Chinese government has indicated that all exchanges need to stop trading. It seems that the volume of trading in China has lowered. However, the volume of Japan rose with 20% overnight, which makes Japan the #1 country with the largest trading volume at the moment, with a market share of 51.33%. So could it be that the Chinese are moving overseas for trading now? Who knows? But it is odd though that the Chinese volume has dropped with half its volume and the others had risen overnight. And then some news on Monero. So it seems that Piratebay has run a pilot just for a couple of hours to see whether they could mine Monero as an extra revenue stream instead of showing ads. So let's see how that will evolve over time, if they are going to continue with that. And then over to some adoption news. So some good news is coming from the World Wide Web Consortium, which is an organization that focuses on internet standards. And they have created a payment API for in the browser. So that makes it possible to complete your payments in different currencies, and also cryptocurrencies are being added right there. So this is a project that has been running already for a couple of years. I guess it was around 2013. And now it seems some bigger companies are going to demo this somewhere mid-October. Excited how that will work out and if we can already see some demos with cryptocurrencies. I guess it will not, but you never know. And then last but not least, so it seems that Pick n Pay, one of the biggest retailers in South Africa, is now accepting Bitcoin. And we should not underestimate South Africa in terms of growing adoption there, because if we need to trust on Google Trend, it seems that South Africa has the 4th position whenever it comes to interest in Bitcoin. So, that's it for today. Thanks again for watching. Peace out.